Hello my YouTube friends, are you looking for a way to stream from OBS Studio to multiple platforms like Mixer, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Periscope, and lots of others for free? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you and I'm going to show you how to use it today. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content that comes out. Restream IO is a multi-broadcast tool that's totally free for almost every platform that you can possibly think of. There's going to be a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it right now. On the web, we're just going to search for Restream IO. Then we're going to go to Login. Here you're going to put in your email address and your password, and then click Login. Now, I already have a bunch of platforms connected to Restream IO, and you can see those on the left. There's a little toggle button to the right of those listings, which you can turn those platforms on and off depending upon what you actually want to stream to. I'm going to go ahead and delete my Periscope account here, and then we're going to re-add it. So I'm just going to go up here, click Add a Channel. I'm going to go over to the right and click on Periscope by Twitter, and then I'm going to click the Connect Periscope button. Going to click sign in, and it always helps if you get the right password. Now it takes me to Twitter. It shows me that it's going to add Restream IO with full access to my account. All I have to do is authorize that. And what this does is it gives Restream IO the right to broadcast on my Periscope page. Next, we're going to update the titles for each of our streams. So you just go up to the Update Titles button, click on that. This takes you to a tabbed window where you see destinations, titles, and then social alerts. We are in the titles tab. You can put the title and description of your live stream right in here. And if you're doing gaming content, you can just click this little toggle and add the name of the game that you want. For some platforms, this is absolutely necessary. Platforms like Mixer and Twitch will require you to add a game to your platform. You just click the Update All button and it updates every single title, but you can also go over here to the right and click Edit and edit one specifically and individually any way you want. Then all you have to do is click the Update button. The third piece I'm going to show you here is the social alerts. You could set messages in here that send out when you go live so that folks on these platforms can find a link to your live stream. If you click on the Destination tab, it's going to bring you right back here. Once you have all your accounts set up in Restream IO exactly the way that you want them, you can just go in here and copy the stream key. Then we're going to go into OBS Studio, we're going to click Settings, go to Stream, and we're going to paste that stream key in there. Now you can connect your account right here if you wanted to, and that'll automatically go get the stream key. That's really up to you. Once you put your stream key in, go ahead and click Apply. And click OK. Now you're ready to stream. Everything is set up properly now. All we have to do is go live. So all we do is click Start Streaming right here. And that starts our stream. There we go. Now what we want to do is I'm going to flip back in here to Restream IO. You can see that this shows you your streaming monitor. We have this resolution and this frames per second at this bit rate. Looks fantastic. Once you have this set up, let me show you how to do your chat. If you click on this little chat over here, we're going to open it in a browser. This is going to show all of our chat stuff. And I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go into my broadcast. We're going to go up here to View and Docs, and we're going to try a custom browser doc. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this chat in here and apply it. Then I'm going to go back to View, then Docs, and then I'm going to select Chat. Now you can see it puts my chat in here. All I have to do is log in. I use the same login as I would use with Restream IO. Once I'm logged in, I'll be able to see all the chats from each platform. Pretty friggin' sweet. If you're looking for tutorials on all kinds of other live streaming tools, you should check this playlist out right here. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.